Hi guys, if you have a automatic washing machine top load, like you can see, I just want to tell you in case you're having a water inlet problem or sensor problem, sensor in the sense of water level in the machine. Well, you have at the back two screws. I've already removed it, but you could see where it comes. This is one and this is another. So if you remove those two screws, in the side there will be a cap which you have to remove like this. You just put the screwdriver, dig it out, one screw here and one screw here. Okay, then you open the top. Okay, after you open the top, you look here. This is the water switch. It's a solenoid. Okay, it's activated by the power. You could see the solenoid switch. Okay, so if the water is not flowing, you could check if this is working. Others you could easily replace it. It's connected by a hose. In the inner part, it's connected by a hose which comes down to this part. Now this is where the water flows into the machine. I'll show you from the top. Can you see? This is where the water gets into the machine. So if you're having a water not flowing in the machine, check this. Replace it. If you have the level of the water in the tank is not, if you put low, if you put high, medium, if you put high, according to water is not there, it's going on flowing over and over, the machine cannot sense whether the water is level or not, then this is the level sensor. So if that's a problem, you could easily remove it by two screws, disconnect this, replace it. That's it. Other to which, if the motor is having a problem, that's a different matter. The motor is underneath, you have to open the machine from the bottom. Okay, I just want to give you a top view of how to minor faults to do it by yourself. Thanks for watching.